How's your health, Salman?
My health is fine.
Planning to go for?
Yeah, but that's a check that I have to. Yeah, it's been delayed because of the acting schedules and now the court cases. Subject is I can't talk about the court cases. Subject is when time comes for me to speak. But yeah, but we will try and win it on merit. We will try and win it not because of some fault, not because we've got really good lawyers. We'll try and win it like properly, come out clean.
Will you be present at the hearing on 13th March? 11th March?
If it's required to be, yes, I will be.
Ritesh played very well last year.
Ritesh, yeah, it's a big loss. Big loss for us. Ritesh and Mahesh Manjrekar, they played really well. For Mumbai Hero CCL team, it's a big loss.
भोजपुरी दबंग का मैच काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था और बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने जीता। ऐसा लग रहा है नाम का असर हुआ है।
जी, नाम का ही असर है। नाम का ही असर है। थोड़ा सा सुपरस्टिशन भी चलता है कि मैं यहाँ पर अंदर बैठा हूँ और चार विकेट लूज हो गए हैं तो यहाँ अंदर ही बैठे रहो कि अगर बाहर चले गए और नहीं हुआ कुछ विकेट आउट नहीं हुआ कि ये अंदर भेज देंगे, अंदर वापस जाओ, ये पनौती आ गए।
The very dabang Salman Khan made heads turn as he unveiled the flag at the Celebrity Cricket League opening ceremony in Kochi on the 9th of this month. Bollywood Hangama content head broadband Faridun Shahryar, present at this do, brings to you a few chatty moments shared by Salman with the media.
It's been a good journey. This is the third one, right? Yeah, it's been fun. It's people are getting hooked onto it. The journey from all these 3 seasons, you see cricket with the actors improving hugely. You see a lot of competition. You see a lot of serious actors playing serious cricket, which is a good thing. Combination of entertainment and actors and cricket is an ideal combo. Usually, a lot of cricketers eventually try and get some work, modeling or in the movies, not been very successful. I hope our actors get some work in the cricket field. In fact, some cricketers have got work in the acting field. Now 4 guys from the have come into the Malayalam industry. Obviously, they're cricketers who have been movies been made on them, and now because they're in a movie, they can play CCL, which is not fair.
Are you wishing you were out there playing
Next
for
year,
the
perhaps.
Heroes?
Next year, perhaps. Like working. The thing is that disadvantage for us is our actors are very busy. From TV to doing movies and long hours of working. In spite of that, they're doing a good job, and they've. I'm sure this, cricket must have been their first love, and they all want to be, Sunil Gavaskar or Tendulkar or one of these guys. They did not make it there, so they've moved to acting, and they've done fairly well in the acting career as well. Which is good. I mean, it's been good. Now through the acting career, they get to play cricket, and they're damn good. Like Aftab, Sunil. There's Sunny, there's Solusu, there is Shabir. There's a lot of people who do play really good cricket. Me, I have not held a bat in the last 15 years. So for me to come back, it will take some time. At least 15 days. So once I get a 15-day break, then perhaps I would.
Ritesh played very well last year.
Ritesh, yeah, it's a big loss. Big loss for us. Ritesh and Mahesh Manjrekar, they played really well. For Mumbai Hero CCL team, it's a big loss. I mean, as far as the people there, the cricket they play, the energy, it's going to be a big loss for us.
Your team has taken just 2 brilliant catches actually. Shabir and another guy, brilliant catches they've taken.
Shabir is a sportsman. Shabir is good. Shabir plays football, cricket. He's like us. I mean, whatever thing you give him, he adapts. Some people adapt to sports really quick.
आज मैंने देखा वो भोजपुरी दबंग का मैच काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था और बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने जीता, ऐसा लग रहा है नाम का असर हुआ है।
जी, नाम का ही असर है। नाम का ही असर है। I know. अब थोड़ा सा सुपरस्टिशन भी चलता है कि मैं यहाँ पर अंदर बैठा हूँ और चार विकेट लूज हो गए हैं, तो यहाँ अंदर ही बैठे रहो। कि अगर बाहर चले गए और नहीं हुआ कुछ, विकेट आउट नहीं हुआ कि ये अंदर भेज देंगे, अंदर वापस जाओ, ये पनौती आ गए।
Salman, you met Mammootty and Mohanlal today. How
Yes,
was the
I did.
experience? How was the experience?
Great experience. They're amazing guys. I mean, actors here, are like gods, and they're like they're good guys too. And I was most happy to meet Ajit. No, Dilip. Dilip. I've done his bodyguard, and the way he's done his bodyguard here, I think was the best. I think he's fabulous in bodyguard, and I happened to meet his kid as well, which was sweet, Meenakshi.
Will you be visiting other venues as well with Mumbai?
Yes, of course, yeah.
How was your health, Salman?
My health is fine.
Planning to go for?
Yeah, but that's a check that I have to. Yeah, it's been delayed because of the acting schedules and now the court cases. So, but now I'll go now after the first schedule of.
So how are you going to manage the court cases? Are you going to appeal against the Kaveri side?
So the thing is, I can't talk about it because subject is so subject is I can't talk about the court cases. Subject is when time comes for me to speak. But yeah, but we will try and win it on merit. We will try and win it not because of some loophole, not because we've got really good lawyers. We'll try and win it like properly, come out clean.
Will you be present at the hearing on 13th March?
If it's required to be, yes, I will be.
Is Karishma going to appear in films as well?
No, she's not there in this one.
She's there mentally.
No, she's not in Manchester.
Who's your favorite cricketer? Indian cricket team, who's your favorite?
They're all good. I don't follow cricket that much, but I guess Sachin, and then there's Dravid and
sport you follow?
Dhoni. I like playing them. I don't like following them that much.
You play them on screen a lot, like in Dabang 2 you played.
What I play in Dabang too.
In Dabang you played rugby, I think Kabaddi as well. You did cycling.
In hockey,
Gonna play cricket. Okay, cool.
Thank you, man.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Faridun Shehryar with cameraman Alok Dubey, Bollywood Hungama News Network.